Thank you for dropping by. Thank you so much. So let's solve this algebraic fraction. So let's solve this. This is number one question. 5s raised to power 3 y minus 10s squared y squared over sy bracket open s squared minus 4y squared bracket closes. What is the first thing we do? We look for something common in this fraction. This. So in the numerators, let's look for something common in them. And then we have 5 here. There's also 5 and 10. So that's 1, 5. We have s raised to power 3 here. We have s raised to power 2 here. So there's something common, and that's s raised to power 2. Because at least this has s raised to power 2 in it. And this is s raised to power 2. So what again is common? We have y squared. So y is common. Just one y. So we open up our bracket. What do we have here that we don't have here? That should be x, because this is s squared, s raised to power 3. So x. Now what do we have here that we don't have here? We have 10 here, we have 5 here. So what do we add to 5 to get this? What is it that when we multiply by 5, we have 10, that is 2. We have s squared, y squared, but we have just one y, so y. Write our denominator for y squared. And so what do we do now? We have to look for a way to expand this. We have to expand the denominator. So we first write out our numerator. Now, let's expand our denominator. So, what do we do? This s squared should be this. S squared, because s times s is s squared. Now, what do we need here? 2y. So we use minus 2y and plus 2y, because minus times plus is minus. And because 2y times 2y is 4y squared. So we have expanded that. So what do we do next? We just cancel out s squared, s minus 2y, cancel out s minus 2y. So what do we have? S can cancel out this, but don't forget that this is s squared. If s cancel out this, we'll still have one s left. Y cancel out this. So it means we have 5s over, what do we have here? S plus 2y. So this is the answer for that. Now let's go to our number 2. Our number 2. Number 2 says 2a over a plus b plus 3a over a plus 2b. What do? We need a LCM for these denominators. We need to find their LCM. So their LCM is just the same thing as writing them down. AB bracket a plus 2b. So this is their LCM actually. So now our numerator, we're going to do this times this times this, something like a cross multiplication. So this is what I mean. 2a plus 2b, this. Now we have plus 3a plus 2b, a plus b. So we times them out. 2a times a is 2a squared plus 2a times 4 times 2b is 4ab plus 3a times a is 3a squared plus 3a times b is 3ab. Don't forget our denominators a and a plus 2b. So now what do? So we put the like terms together. We have 2a here. We have 2a squared, 3a squared. So the squared, let's add them. 2a plus 3a will have 5a squared plus 4ab plus 3ab is 7ab over a LCM. So what is common in these both numbers? I think we have a here, that's the common thing there. So a times 5a is 5a squared plus, what do we have here that we don't have here? Which is 7b. 7b over a plus b, a plus 2b. So this is our answer. Very short and easy. But if you get confused, please don't forget to watch it again to understand better. Now we'll go to our number 3. Number 3 says 2 plus 4x squared plus y squared over 2xy minus 8x minus y over 4y. So this is our number 3. So what do we do? Let's look for our LCM. Maybe we should turn this to fraction too. 2 is the same thing as 2 over 1. So let's look for the LCM of 1, 2x, this. And what could that be? The LCM for this. The LCM of 1, 2xy, 4y is 4xy. 4xy. That's the LCM. So now what do? We multiply the terms by the LCM, which is 4, which is 4xy. So this is what I mean. 4xy times these 2 plus 4xy 4xy divided by 1 is 4xy. So 4xy times 2, that is why we're doing this, plus 2xy divide this, we have 2. So will be 4x squared plus y squared. We're going to times it by 2. I hope you understand why we got 2. 2xy divide this, you just have 1, only 2. So we're timesing it by 2 minus 4y divide 4xy, you just have only minus x. Then 8x minus y. So what do? This times this. We have 8xy plus 2 times 4x squared. Have 8x squared. 2 times this. We have 2y squared minus s times 8s. Have 8s squared. Now plus minus times minus plus x y. So now we'll do with our like terms. Let's not forget to put our LCM, which is 4xy. Now what do? We have to get the like terms together. This sy. So 8sy plus sy is 9sy plus 8s squared minus 8s squared is 0. So that is off. What do we have left? We just have our 2y squared. 2y squared over our LCM, which is 4sy. So what's common in these two terms? Y is common here. So we just have a y, 9x. Y times 9s is this, plus 2y because y times 2y is 2y squared over 4xy. So what do we do? This y will cancel out this y. So we're left with 9x plus 2y over 4x. So this is the answer for this. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, I promise to bring better content your way. Thanks so much.